brung us to this Dow 20,000 dance. There is zero doubt it is the financials. Looking at the S&P 500 financials, I want to bring in the all-star banking analyst of all time. Yes, I'm speaking in superlatives, but he's Dick Bove. And let me just quickly ask you, Dick, look, J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley up more than 20%, Goldman up 30% since the election. How long does something like this continue? And arguably, is this what really floated these markets to above 20,000?
Well, I think it's part of it. I think that basically, if you think about just even building the wall, there's going to be a tremendous amount of financing that's involved in that. If you think about getting rid of the TPP, you're thinking about more manufacturing, which means more financing to build those factories or to fund those inventories. If you're thinking about attempting to get the economy to go better with fiscal stimulus, once again, someone's got to fund the building of the bridges and the tunnels, and that's what banks do. That's what companies like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley do. So they're right in the middle of what is necessary if, in fact, this economy is really going to explode on the upside.
But if they're in the clouds, we know that sometimes clouds have a bit of rain and some snow. What snow and rain do you see on the horizon, just as a warning for our viewers?
Well, the big snow and rain is very clear, and that is that if this program doesn't work, if this program doesn't go into effect, then these stocks are overpriced because there's nothing.
Hey, you got a Republican Congress.
Yeah, well, I'm voting heavily that it will go into effect, but if it doesn't, these companies are at risk because the stocks are selling at very high multiples on lackluster earnings.
Listen, Dick, it's great to have you. Do you think we'll hit Dow 20,000? Do you think we'll close through it? We're there right now.
Yeah, I think we will. I think when you take that tape off and your champagne pops out, that'll be really good.
Dick, thanks for being here with us on what appears to be a historic day. I'm looking for the champagne. I don't see any champagne. You guys have champagne yet?
No.
No, the traders don't have it yet. They're not ready. They are superstitious. They want to see it close above 20,000. That's what you may see